We are ready to begin the final two steps. So step number 9 says stitch around the top edge, and step number 10 says press whole bag. So we might have to go back and press our bag, but if you pressed it well enough in the last step, you should be good to go. But we are going to top stitch around the whole edge. So if you remember, top stitching is a normal stitch of a 2.5. You are going to back stitch at the beginning and the end. But with a top stitch, we sew a 1/4 of an inch, which is also known as edge of the presser foot. So we are going to line the edge of our bag up with the edge of our presser foot and sew all the way around in a circle, and that will complete our bag. So the easiest way to do this is we're going to take this tray off. Okay, so lift it up. You can take it off. If you have a square machine, your tray also comes off as well. So when we sew all the way around, we want to make sure that our straps are up in the neck of our bag. So I know this is a little different than normal, but we don't want to sew our straps down, because if we sew our straps down, your straps aren't going to look correct. So what you want to do is you want to slide at least one of your straps underneath your presser foot, and you're going to go ahead and then line the edge of your bag up with the edge of your presser foot. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit so you can see that. And then we're going to go ahead and lower our presser foot. You can start anywhere you want to on the bag. So we are going to sew in a circle just like we did on step, let's see, I think that was step number 6. Step number 7. Okay, so this time we're just doing a top stitch instead of a normal stitch all the way around edge of the presser foot, back stitching at the beginning and the end. So I'm going to go ahead and start that. My presser foot is lowered. I'm going to do a few stitches forward and back stitch, and then back stitch, and then we're just going to go edge of the presser foot all the way around, making sure we take out our pins as we get to them. We are going to sew over where our strap is, and that's okay, just making sure that our strap is up. Anytime that you're adjusting your bag, you can see that we've run out of bag to sew. You want to make sure your needle goes down your fabric, because we don't want to get loops in our fabric. And we're going to go ahead and readjust with the needle down, and that will hold your bag in place. Coming up on another strap, you can see that my strap is up, which is perfect. Needle down. Gonna keep adjusting. Needle is down in my fabric. Gonna adjust this final bit because we are almost back to the beginning, and then we'll just back stitch when we get there. Looks like my bag is slightly folding up, so I'm gonna pull that back down in. Pull this strap back around. Back to the beginning, so I'm going to go back stitch. We're going to lift my presser foot, pull it out to the side, and trim our threads off. I'm going to zoom back out so you guys can see the final product. Make sure everything is all nice and pressed. And we have our nice clean final product. Our bag is nice and pressed flat. Our corners are all nice and pushed out. And you are done. The inside of the bag looks great. Once you're done, fill out a scoring guide. You can get it turned in. Thank you.